A quinoa and avocado salad combines the nutritional powerhouses of quinoa and avocado, offering a variety of health benefits. Quinoa benefits. Complete protein. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source vital for muscle development and various bodily functions. High in fiber. It boasts a high fiber content, promoting digestive health, regulating bowel movements, and helping you feel full, which can aid in weight management. Rich in nutrients. Quinoa is a good source of essential nutrients like manganese, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, copper, folate, and B vitamins' antioxidant properties. It contains antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol, which help protect your body from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Supports bone health. The presence of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese in quinoa contributes to maintaining healthy bone density. Gluten-free. Naturally gluten-free, quinoa is an excellent grain alternative for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Avocado benefits. Healthy fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health and can help improve cholesterol levels. These fats also support skin health and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. High in fiber. Like quinoa, avocados are a good source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting satiety. Vitamins and minerals. They provide essential vitamins such as C, E, K, and B6, as well as folate, potassium, magnesium, and pantothenic acid antioxidants. Avocados contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. They also have other bioactive compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Supports heart health. The potassium and healthy fats in avocados contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. May improve nutrient absorption. The monounsaturated fats in avocados can enhance the absorption of other fat-soluble nutrients from the foods you eat. Combined benefits of quinoa and avocado salad may have anti-inflammatory effects. Both quinoa and avocado contain compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Suitable for various dietary needs. Naturally gluten-free and often vegan, this salad can fit into many dietary lifestyles. In conclusion, a quinoa and avocado salad is a flavorful and refreshing way to enjoy a multitude of health benefits, thanks to the impressive nutritional profiles of both main ingredients. This salad packed with quinoa, avocado, cucumber, onions, carrots, cashews, and sunflower seeds offers a wealth of health benefits. Nutrient-rich. This combination provides a diverse range of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Complete protein. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. Healthy fats. Avocado and sunflower seeds are excellent sources of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Fiber-rich. The vegetables, quinoa, and seeds contribute significant amounts of dietary fiber, aiding digestion, promoting satiety, and helping regulate blood sugar levels. Antioxidants. The colorful vegetables and seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation. Heart health. The healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants in this salad contribute to cardiovascular well-being. Weight management. The combination of fiber and protein can help you feel fuller for longer, potentially aiding in weight management. Versatile. This salad can be enjoyed as a light meal on its own or as a nutritious side dish. In short, this quinoa and vegetable salad with nuts and seeds is a delicious and nutrient-dense way to support your overall health. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in a new video.